Good morning, everybody. It's July the 9th, 2019. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. Here we go. This is your morning report. There was a 3.7 Central California, 11 miles northwest of Sirius at 4 miles in depth. A 4.0 Moluccan Sea, and that came in at 49 miles in depth. There was a 3.5 Central California, 13 miles east of Little Lake at 0 miles in depth. They have a 3.3 Hawaii, 35 miles southeast of Pahala. That's Pahala. That came in at 24 miles in depth. There was a 3.2 Central California, 13 miles southeast of Little Lake at 2 miles in depth. A 3.1 Central California, 8 miles east of Ridgecrest at 5 miles in depth. A 3.2 California, Nevada border region, 4 miles southeast of Coso Junction at 1 mile in depth. A 3.0 Central California, 15 miles southeast of Little Lake at 2 miles in depth. A 3.6 Central California, 12 miles northeast of Ridgecrest at 5 miles in depth. A 3.2 Central California, 13 miles east of Little Lake at 5 miles in depth. A 3.0 Central California, 12 miles southeast of Little Lake at 1 mile in depth. A 2.4 Oklahoma, 9 miles west of Kingfisher, 0 miles in depth. A 3.0 Central California, 9 miles east of Ridgecrest at 6 miles in depth. A 2.0 Oklahoma, 10 miles northwest of Perry at 2 miles in depth. A 4.0 Chile, and that came in at 65.8 miles in depth. A 3.9 Salta, Argentina at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.5 Western Iran at 31 miles in depth. A 3.7 Argentina, and that came in at 138.5 miles in depth. Last but not least, a 3.3 Greece at 1.2 miles in depth. I hope you guys have a wonderful morning. I am thrilled to death with the temperature right now. It is 72 degrees. You believe it or not? I'm enjoying it. God bless each and every one of you. I hope you have an awesome day. Please be safe out there. Please. You guys are totally awesome. 2 thumbs up. Have a great one, guys. I'll be back at noon.